To understand how the bond will affect your tax rates, we need to begin with some history. Before 2004, there were 2 school districts in the Dalles. The people who lived west of Snipe Street were in District 9. The people who lived on the east side of town were in District 12. In 2002, District 12 built a new middle school. The tax rate to pay for the school was about $1.65 per 1,000 of assessed value. Only the people in District 12 have paid the tax. People living in District 9 have not paid any tax for the middle school. In 2004, the 2 districts merged to become District 21. Since then, only people living in the former District 12 have paid the tax for the middle school. People living in the former District 9 have not and will not pay any tax for the middle school. In 2021, the tax on the high school will begin, and the debt on the middle school will be paid off. For people in former District 12, their tax in 2021 will increase by $1.34 over the current $1.65 to $2.99. For just that year, former District 9 will also pay $1.34 in tax for the new high school. The next year, everyone will pay $2.99 per 1,000 assessed value. Here is how to estimate how much tax a property owner will pay each year. To make it easier, let's round $2.99 to $3 per 1,000 of assessed value. Consider a property with a value of $100,000. The tax is $3 for each 1,000. So it will be 3 times 100, which is $300 per year. Now consider a property that is valued at $200,000. Like before, the tax is $3 for each 1,000. 3 times 200 means the tax will be $600 per year. Keep in mind that assessed value and sales price are not the same. The assessed value is lower than the sale or purchase price and can be found on your most recent property tax statement. When we started paying for the middle school, the tax rate was $2.12 per 1,000. We will be getting 4 schools for not much more than that. It is well worth the extra cost to educate our next generations in safe and secure schools. This message paid for by Strong Community Schools.